Hey guys, I'm Ava, and I'd like to talk to you about the importance of putting statements in the positive form. Positive form. So, while we're on the topic, what does it even mean? William Strunk Jr. and E.B. White, the authors of the book Elements of Style, describe it as using the word not as a means of denial or antithesis, never as a means of evasion. Are you still confused? That's okay. Let me show you some examples. Study these first three statements. They all have something in common, but that thing is also what makes them bland and plain. Do you see it? Exactly. If we search hard enough, we will see that the first couple of sentences all include the word not. Right here and right here. Now, even though would is not a negative word, such words as would, could, and should are still considered weak. And finally over here. The next bunch of statements are just the first ones arranged in a way so that the not is taken out completely. Some of you may ask, why even bother? It's no big deal. Let me tell you why it's important. Well, the importance of this rule can be summed up in two statements. One, using the word not displays a feeling of weakness and instability. And two, the reader wants to be told what is and not what isn't. Branching off the second point, a way to solve the problem of not is to replace all the words that are in the negative form with ones in the positive form. So, for example, not nice can be turned to mean or rude, and not pretty to ugly or hideous. In cue, frustration, screaming, and depression. Now, I know some of you may have had it with grammar rules, but putting statements in the positive form not only lightens up your essay, but gives the reader what they want. So stop your pouting, and let's learn a quick memory trick. An easy way to remember to do this is to think of the word positive as what it means, optimistic or confident. So when you start using negative words such as not, you bring down the stability and strength of your essay. And then you see your grade and you find yourself begging Mrs. Berry for forgiveness. It's a mess. With the basics covered, why don't we try some out? Look at the two sentences here and decide which one better follows the grammar rule we have learned today. Correct. B is the answer. A is wrong because it has the word not in it, and we are only supposed to use not as a means of denial or antithesis. Well, great job, guys. I've had a wonderful time, and I really hope you've learned something. Thanks for watching, and come back soon for some more English with Ava. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's a quick tip. Placing negative and positive statements in opposition makes for a stronger structure.
Created using Powtoon.